Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp group. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WhatsApp group are fantastic way to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, or even online communities. But what if you just the beginner on WhatsApp and you don't know how to create a WhatsApp group? It's so simple. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. To create a WhatsApp group, you can just tap on the plus icon on here. You can see the chat sections. And you can see on the top, new group. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose the contact that you want to add to your group. For example, like this. After that, you can just tap on the here. You can create the group name like this. You can also set the profile photo, but I will just skip this step, and you can just tap on checklist. Now you have group on your WhatsApp. Here's your group on your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right, to create a group on WhatsApp. You can add more members. You can start to chat on your group, and you can video call and call on your group. So that is how to create a new group on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.